Just find a join in the batten, right? So that side there had a join in it, and then g'day, Peter here from Comfort Zone Insulation. I hope you enjoy our next video about insulation, and just remember, if you need a quote, click on the links and we're happy to help you out. Okay, we're just up on this roof doing a fiberglass batt job with Earthwool, and so this is 3.5 Earthwool 580s we're putting in here, and you can see I've got a pack on the roof there, and we've got the tiles open. That one's about to go in there. But to do batts, like, this is a roof that's got a lot of space in it, but we still open the roof up over there as well to put packs in there, because otherwise it's just very difficult dragging them through. And down here we've got this other little section, and so we've opened the roof up here as well. And to open the roof up to get batts in, we just find a join in the batten, right? So that side there had a join in it, and then I cut through on this side, and then we screw it back down afterwards. So that's the normal process to screw that back in afterwards. But that way we can get a full pack in here at a time, because otherwise it'd be impossible to do the job. Now, but that's the big difference, or one of the big differences between batts and other products, is that they are difficult, or more difficult, to get into the roof. Now I'll just climb in and show you the job. Now we haven't finished in here yet, because that's why the other pack was still on the roof, and so I've got to pick up that empty one there. But basically you can see it's all done, and that's around an exhaust fan there. We just put the batts around the outside of it and tuck them in, and so you can see we've got the batts all in here. Oh, excuse me. And you can see over in here, it's actually, this is the garage. It looked like it was a big space, but when you climb in the roof, you've actually got a really tight bit over and behind there. It actually gets really tight. There's another metre and a bit over behind there. So we had to drag all the batts right through over into there, and it's not a problem to do around the roof with this ducting and stuff. So yeah. Alright, so if you want your house insulated, just send us an inquiry form and we can email you a quote.